In 2010, I went to the dentist to get a filling fixed, and when they looked at my x-rays, they found that there was something in my lower jaw, and so they referred me to Dr. Koo.
This is a very aggressive jaw tumor, which has a lot of the characteristics of cancer. I was able to reassure her that there was a light at the end of the tunnel.
You know, it is a true medical facility that really takes the patient, puts the patient first.
She's able to eat, she's able to function, and she's able to smile.
So I'm very, very blessed and very thankful to have Dr. Koo and his staff in my life. So.